Hello friends, welcome to Food and Living, and I'm Shweta. After a very long break, I'm back on YouTube and hope you all are doing great. And I'm sure most of you have resumed your work after lockdown and are working online and are back to your work as usual, and hope you all are having a good time. And so while even I wanted to start working, I was thinking of purchasing some very nice and comfortable clothes online. And since sustainability is a option that we all have to go for, I wanted to also buy cotton clothes to wear at home, which are very comfortable yet very trendy, and you can also wear it to your office, be it online or if you are going to the office as such. So I bought a few clothes from Myntra, and I'm going to show you that, and this is going to help all the women and ladies out there who are looking for comfortable Indian wear. And you can also shop for other wear, western wear also from Myntra, but today's haul is about Indian wear and very good affordable option. Everything is within 1,000 rupees, so you can easily go for it. Dressing well can increase you feel good and happy about yourself, and I think every woman and lady should take time out for themselves to get ready and to groom themselves. And a very easy thing to do is wearing very comfortable yet trendy outfits, which are very easily available online. And I also get asked about how are the clothes online, and should we really go for it? And this will be an answer for all those people who have the doubts, who have many doubts within themselves before shopping online. So let me clear all of that. I feel it is very comfortable to purchase them online, and generally we have a thought of whether they are good, whether we can wear them comfortably, and what if we do not like them. So I would suggest before you buy, just go through the return policy also, and also the sizes also. It is very easily mentioned, and you can refer to the size chart, and then whatever is your size that you generally go for, you can go for those sizes. And some brands differ with the sizes, so I would suggest that you go for easy return options, so that you can very easily return it and then buy something which is of your own size. So that way it is very easy to buy and purchase online as well as use it. So I am completely in love with the recent purchase I made. Everything is 100% cotton, just as I wanted, and so I thought I will share it with all the lovely ladies so that you can also wear them and feel comfortable as well as trendy, and also feel good about it, and also push all the blues away and start working with a positive mind and a good state of mind by dressing up well. I'm definitely very hopeful that you also will feel good about it. So without further ado, let's get started. So I purchased the sets which are below 1,000. Everything I bought is below 1,000, and I thought it was a steal deal because the quality of the material that I got is very good. So let me start with the haul. This is a dress set. I wanted to buy Indian wear because it is both comfortable as well as trendy. So generally I prefer wearing cotton clothes at home. This can be worn at home as well as to the office very easily because it is very nice. This is from the brand Gerua, and if everything is below 1,000, I put the price tag below. So this is the material. The material is very soft and nice, and it has small buttas and buttons in the front, you can see. And this has got a closed neck. You can also keep it open or you can close it. So this is it. I bought in size L. Although I'm in size M, I wanted something a little loose, not very tight. So I went for L, thinking that once we wash, it might even shrink. So this is the top part. It also has a slit in the front. And it has 3/4 sleeve, a little less than 3/4 I would say, and very comfortable. The print is very nice and elegant. You can also wear it for some smaller functions, and this comes with a contrast pant. So the pant quality is also very nice. It is like this. If you want, you can make it straighter, but I am comfortable wearing this one as it is. It has an elastic like this, and it is like this here. And the best part is that every pant comes with 2 pockets, side pockets, which is a great thing. I would love to have dresses with pockets because it is very feasible, and you can also keep your mobiles if you're working, because that is very important these days. So this is the pant and this is the top, and this is very nice. It is contrast color. You can see this is the top and this is the bottom. I'll put the picture somewhere here. And that was the first one. I like that a lot. And this is the second set. So this is the second set. I just open and show. So this has a V-neck here, and it comes with small buttons in the front, and the buttons come till here. It has a longer slit. It does not have a side slit. It is open. It is closed this side. It has a longera, and this is also about the same length, a little here till here, about your elbow. The sleeves come to the elbow, and it has a very tiny detailing of tying it. So this is very pretty, and even this detailing looks very nice, very simple. And the best part is I've also washed it once, and you can see that it looks as good as new. So I wanted to see how it is after washing, because generally we have that quarry cotton clothes after washing tend to lose its color or lose its shine, but as you can see, this has not lost anything, so that's a greater advantage. Again, this is from the brand Gerua. That comes with a similar color pant, but it has some details like this. Everything is printed, and the pant is like this, a little like a palazzo. And again, this comes with side pockets. So this is the second one, and I personally like this a lot. A very nice color, and as well as comfortable, and it has not lost its color after washing, which is a great thing. And coming to the next one, this is a yellow colored. It looks like an anarkali. You can see this has got very pretty flower prints, almost like a block print. I believe it's a block print one. It is very long. All these are long, and it's quite trend these days. And the sleeve is like this, again 3/4. And I love 3/4 because sometimes 3/4 is, when we are working, it can disturb. I personally love something till the elbow, the sleeves till the elbow. And it has, you can see, like this. So this is very pretty. And it looks like an anarkali from side. But again, this has a slit. The dresses with slit these days look very, very pretty. It has no side slits, but only front slits. And in the front, it is very simple, a round neck. So this is very nice. And for this, the pant is like this. So all this come in set, and within 1,000, I find it to be very, very reasonable. And the quality is also very nice. Like I said, comfort, keeping comfort and both cotton option in mind. This is something very, very nice. A steal deal, I would say. So I would suggest you to try if you're looking to buy something online. This is definitely a nice one to try. Again, it comes with pockets. So this is the top, and this is the pant. If you wish to wear, you can also wear with any legging or jeans also. That would equally look good. That would be equally comfortable and good. And the other two options are just kurtas, which we can wear at home. You can see it is very comfortable. You can wear it during your everyday wear, for your house chores also. You can do it comfortably. This again comes with front open slit and side slits too. And it has 3/4 sleeve. It has some foil prints and some flowers going on. Very simple, some buttons here. And this is also looks very elegant. This has a round neck. So it is very comfortable to wear at home. And the cloth is very, very comfortable. So again, this is a good option to try. These types of kurtas you can buy from local stores also, if you're looking to wear them at home. All the ladies, some of them don't like to, obviously we like to wear pajamas at home, but if you're looking at trendy clothes to wear at home, other than the pajamas which we all are comfortable, then I would suggest you do this. And also wearing such pretty clothes will also make you look good and feel good about yourself. So that is the main reason I would say. So again, this is another one, very similar in the pattern and the texture and the cloth. It has some foil details here. Again, the round neck, and it has some buttons in the front, and it has a slit here, both slits, side slit and front slit. This we can again wear with leggings, jeggings, or straight pants like this. I pair it up with straight pants like this, which looks very trendy, and a pant which is still your ankle length, also looks very good. So you can pair it up with whatever you have already. So these two are only kurtas. So these are the everyday kurtas that I bought online, and I thought I will share it with all the ladies who are looking to buy something which is comfortable yet very not very expensive, something which you can like change very often. And I wanted to share because like I said, many of them always have doubts of the quality and the type of materials that they get. So like I said, I have also washed them and they are very, very good. No color is bleeding and no color is transferred. So I think that is a very good thing. Another thing is jewelry online. So I wanted to try jewelry online, and from the same site I purchased this one, a set again. This looks very pretty, very good quality, and you can wear it for the upcoming festivals. It looks very nice, and it comes in a good packaging also. Everything is packed very well, and then see, as you can see, it was packed in a bubble wrap and then in cardboard box. So this is how. I'll also link all the product details in the description box, so that even if you want to buy or purchase any of these, you can go to the links provided below and then check it out. So that was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and I would suggest that you wear good clothes and feel out. That was it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you do, then please do like, share and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please click the bell icon and subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments, lovely comments in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of videos you want to watch next. And hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye, take care, stay safe and stay protected.